On this occasion of Earth Day, we are going to learn how to use our waste, kitchen waste. How to use the kitchen waste in our houses, right? The main burden on our earth is the kitchen waste from our home. If we notice that the dustbin in our home is the majority part in the dustbin in our homes is the kitchen waste used from the kitchen, and the kitchen waste is majority is the fruit piles and the vegetable piles. So to save earth, it is necessary to see and learn how to use this kitchen waste and how to decompose this kitchen waste at our home level. For this I am using an empty paint bucket, which is used. So you don't need to buy a new bucket for that. Just find a broken bucket or a used paint bucket and an old bucket for this purpose. And for this you need someone at your home, some senior person, to drill some holes in this bucket. Okay, so first we drill a hole at the bottom side of the bucket. So can anyone tell me that why we put the hole at the bottom side of the bucket? Ajit will tell.
Sir, the wastewater, sir, which is not absorbed by
Which is not absorbed by the leaves.
and the kitchen waste.
Okay, so to collect the wastewater out of this bucket, we drill a hole at the bottom, and we need some holes at the sides also. So we put some holes at the side of the buckets. Why we put the hole at the side of the buckets? Anyone? Yes, Divesh?
So that oxygen can come.
For right answer. The oxygen is needed for the decomposition process. So we put the holes at the side of the bucket, ready for the decomposition process. A hole at the bottom to collect the wastewater out of it, and the holes at the side for the oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for this process. More the oxygen enters in the bucket, and more easily the process will continue. First we have the dry waste. Dry waste is the source of carbon in this process. We need plants need carbon as a fertilizer, so dry waste act as a carbon source or mineral source for the process. So I am putting a layer of these dry leaves at the bottom. Why I am putting the layer of dry leaves at the bottom? Because the dry leaves absorb the excess of water at the base and start decomposing. And after putting the dry leaves, we have some kitchen waste here. Kitchen waste is like the peels of the melons and some onion peels, some banana peels, and so on, right? So this is the kitchen waste in our house in day-to-day life. Okay, so we just put a layer on the dry leaves of kitchen waste. You can, if you feel like that it is a dirty process, you can use the gloves for that purpose also. Okay, then again a layer of leaves, then again a layer of kitchen waste. After each layer of kitchen waste, you need to put a small layer of dry leaves also, because after each layer produce some water in the kitchen waste, and that layer of dry leaves absorb that water to decompose itself. And then again a last layer of kitchen waste and a last layer of dry leaves. Always cover the upper layer of kitchen waste with some dry leaves, because it keeps the insects away and odor away. If you feel that this process is some kind of odory and smelly, put a layer of the garden soil, the soil in your plants, puts a layer of the soil on them, and keep this bucket once filled. A bucket takes around 10 to 15 days of the daily kitchen waste to fill completely. After when the bucket fills completely, keep it at the side, at any corner of your, keep it at the balcony, keep it at the terrace, at the corner in shady region, not in the sunny region. In the shady region, cover this with some polythene or a lid. We will check, and here is our compost bin is ready. Now I keep this bin at the corner of our school ground, and after a month we will check that how this process is going. Till then, after every 2-3 days, we bring some kitchen waste and put this in a bucket. Want to save our earth, and we need to reduce the burden of waste on our earth. The main burden on our earth is the wastage we produce daily. We eat vegetables daily, we eat fruits daily, so means we are producing the waste daily. So this needs to be reduced. Okay, thank you.